Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Vaibhav, and today in this video we are just starting with our Python series, and it is the first video of Python. So we are just starting with the Python introduction. So first of all, the question arises, what is Python? So basically Python is a popular language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991, and mainly it is used for web development for server side and software development. One more thing that mathematics and system scripting also. So what can Python do? So Python can be used on to create a web application, mainly for it can be used on a server to create a web application, and Python can be used to create workflows like for used to it can be Python can be used alongside software to create workflows, and Python can connect to database system, like it can also read and modify files. So and the next thing, like Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics, which is also a good thing. And Python can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. So the next and interesting question is about why Python. So Python works on a different platforms, mainly on Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, and etc. And Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language, like it is a very easy to understand, readable and writable. Python has a syntax that allows developer to write programs with fewer lines and then some other compared to the other programming languages. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is right. This means that prototyping can be very quick. So Python can be treated in a procedural way, you can say, an object oriented way, or a or a functional way. And one more thing I want to share with you, you may good to know that the most recent major version of Python is Python 3. Like for the upcoming this series, so we are just working on the Python 3 version only. And so let's start with running our first program of Python. First of all, also I want to tell you that Python syntax compared to other programming language. Python was designed for readability and has some similarities to the English language with influence from mathematics. Like in further codes you will see like it's have some major some similarities to the English language also, and with influence from mathematics. And Python uses new lines to complete a command, which is also interesting thing, and as opposed to other programming languages which often use semicolons or parentheses. And Python relies on indentation, which is the mandatory thing in Python. You have to, while writing the code, you will be very careful about the indentation, using white spaces to define scope, such as the scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages often use curly brackets for this purpose. So let's start and run our first code in Python. So print hello world, which is the easiest code. Let's run it, and it is, and your output will be hello world. So follow this page if you are the beginner to Python, and stay tuned for the next upcoming sessions on this Python series. So thank you very much for watching.